Welcome to Chiang Mai. In this slide, we will introduce the characteristics of different areas and typical rental prices to help first-time visitors find an apartment or condominium. Here is an illustrated map showing the main areas of Chiang Mai City. At the center is the historic Old City. To the north lies the quiet residential area of Santitham. On the west side, you'll find Nimman, known for its trendy cafes. To the east, along the Ping River, are Chang Khlan and the Night Bazaar, bustling with tourism and shopping. Further northeast is the Central Festival area, home to a large shopping mall. Use this map to get a clear understanding of the locations and choose the area that suits you best. The Old City is the historic center surrounded by ancient walls and a moat. It is home to temples like Wat Chedi Luang and Wat Phra Singh, offering a quiet atmosphere where you can feel the charm of traditional culture. Nimman is a modern area lined with stylish cafes and boutiques. It features the Maya Shopping Center and One Nimman, making it a popular spot for young people and digital nomads. Along Chang Khlan Road stretches a commercial area centered around the Night Bazaar. It includes places like a Nuzern Market and Kalar Night Bazaar, offering plenty of shopping and dining options for tourists. Santitham is a quiet residential neighborhood with a local feel. Centered around Wat Santitham, it offers a calm lifestyle slightly away from the main tourist areas. This is a modern area centered around the large shopping mall, Central Festival Chiang Mai. It offers convenient access to transportation and is a great location for shopping and dining out. This slide compares the average monthly rent for studio-type apartments across key areas of Chiang Mai. First, the Old City offers a balanced environment with historic temples and traditional streetscapes. Rental prices range from 7,000 to 12,000 baht per month, with convenient access to both tourist spots and transportation. Next is Nimman, where rents are slightly higher at around 10,000 to 20,000 baht per month. This area is lined with trendy cafes and shopping malls, making it a favorite among young people and foreign digital nomads. The Chang Khlan/Night Bazaar area offers rents between 9,000 and 15,000 baht per month. With many night markets, street food stalls, and hotels, it's a vibrant location ideal for those who enjoy being close to tourist activity. Santitham is the most affordable area, with rents ranging from 6,000 to 10,000 baht per month. As a quiet, local residential neighborhood, it's suitable for those looking for a calm and peaceful lifestyle. Finally, the area around Central Festival ranges from 9,000 to 18,000 baht per month. This modern district, anchored by a large shopping mall, is popular with those who value convenience and easy access to amenities. Use this slide to help you find the area that best fits your lifestyle and budget.